Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Bluetooth device not reconnecting on Samsung Galaxy S25. If your Bluetooth device cannot connect, then you should try at first going to the settings, then go to connections, Bluetooth, and first you should try disabling Bluetooth and enabling it again. Now you should try connecting your device. Make sure that your device is on. Now I'm connected, but if you're not, then you should try clicking on gear, then disconnect and connect. If this does not help, unpair and put your device in pairing mode. For my AirPods, it's pressing and holding the back button. Now I need to click on scan, and I should be able to find the device. Now click on pair, and it should be paired. If this didn't help, then you should go to General Management, Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, but be careful with that because this will reset all your remembered Wi-Fi networks and your remembered Bluetooth devices. Now I'm gonna go to the Bluetooth. By the way, remember that you need to reconnect to Wi-Fi as well. And now you should be able to connect. If you're still not, press and hold on power and volume down and restart your phone. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.